It's time to make dinner, but at the same time, I'm gonna show you how to color pasta for sensory play. So come on over, welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you how to do this.
Start by making the pasta the same way that you would do it at home. Just boil some water and add some salt. In the meantime, I'm going to grab a bowl and I'm gonna add some water, some food coloring, the color that I want my pasta, and some ice cubes. I'm doing spaghetti this time for dinner, so I'm actually going to do a spaghetti for our activity. I am just going to not color the one I'm doing for dinner, but that's gonna be on the process I'm gonna show you. So just separate the pasta that you're going to be making. I like to do little batches and stir it up. I use it for 11 minutes because we like to cook it for al dente. So as the pasta is getting ready, just make sure that all of the strands are being separated. And then when you're ready, just transfer some of the ready-made pasta into the bowl of cold water. Remember, we added the ice cubes. That's gonna make the cooking process stop right away. Transfer as much color pasta as you want to color and just mix it around. Leave it there for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then you're gonna see your pasta has grabbed on that color. The more food coloring, the stronger it's gonna get. And then once it is ready and you have the color that you want, you're going to drain it. And we're going to rinse it so that we get all that water, all that food coloring out, and then there's no staining in the hands. So all the pasta absorbed the color, and now we are just getting ready to play. And that is it. Now you can repeat it with as many colors as you want. Have fun.